in here, I realized it was kicking and pulling me pretty hard. I'd used the auger with an extension, and I was ice fishing in a river, and the auger bit actually got stuck, and I was really tugging and heaving, and I think I bent the bit there. And so ever since then, I've had this wobble, and that wobble is what created the issue with the gears becoming stripped out. I did buy a new bit, and it does cut straight. It cuts straight through the ice, no problem, just straight down, no kicking. If you're getting a big wobble like this, check your blades, but there's a chance you might have bent your bit as well. Hopefully this video helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Now there are a few different things that could cause this auger to be bouncing around like this. You may be missing your center point, or your center point may be bent. You may have bent your bit, and another possibility is that your auger blades just might not be catching appropriately. I did have an issue. There's that metal strip towards the bottom just above the blades that forms like a circle right above the blades. That weld had given free when I was pulling it out, and I did have that re-welded, but I'm just not sure if when I pulled it out it messed up the alignment on the blades. But it does hop quite a bit. I got a new auger bit, and it just cuts right through, no problem. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.